Hello, everyone. Welcome to Slow English Stories. Today, you will listen to a simple and emotional story. You will learn English step by step. The story is called The Last Bus Home. Relax. Listen carefully and try to understand. Let's begin. It is late at night. The street is very quiet. A young man is standing at a bus stop. His name is Daniel. Daniel is tired. He is very tired. He worked all day. He worked very hard. His body is tired. His mind is tired. Tired means you have no energy. Daniel looks at the road. He is waiting for the bus. He waits. He waits again. But no bus comes. He looks at his phone. He looks at the time. He is worried. He says, I missed the last bus. Miss means you did not get it. He says again, I missed the bus. I missed the bus. He feels sad. He feels alone. The night is cold. The wind is cold. He has little money. He cannot take a taxi. He sits on a bench. He thinks, what can I do? How can I go home? He is quiet. Very quiet. Time passes. 1 minute. 2 minutes. 10 minutes. Still no bus. He says softly, I missed out. Miss out means you lost a chance. He feels bad. Very bad. Suddenly, a car comes. The car is slow. It stops near him. A man is inside the car. The man opens the window. He looks at Daniel. He says, hello, are you okay? Daniel looks at the man. He is not sure. The man is a stranger. A stranger is a person you do not know. Daniel is careful. He says, I am tired. I missed the last bus. The man listens. He smiles. He looks kind. He looks calm. Kind means nice and caring. The man says, I can help you. Daniel is surprised. The man says, I can take you home. I can pick you up. Pick up means give someone a ride. Daniel thinks. He is not sure. He says, are you sure? The man says, yes, I want to help. I want to give you a helping hand. A helping hand means help from someone. Daniel feels a little better. He smiles. He says, thank you. He opens the car door. He sits inside. The car starts moving. They drive slowly. The street is quiet. The night is calm. Daniel feels safe. The man says, what is your name? Daniel says, my name is Daniel. The man says, I am Sam. They talk. They talk slowly. They talk about life. Daniel says, today was very hard. I am very tired. Sam says, I understand. He says, life is not always easy. Sometimes we are tired. Sometimes we are sad. But we must not give up. Give up means stop trying. Daniel listens carefully. He feels better. He feels calm. Sam says, sometimes we miss things. We miss a bus. We miss a chance. But we do not lose everything. Something good can still happen. Daniel thinks. He smiles. He says, yes, that is true. Today I missed the bus. But I met you. Sam smiles. He says, "And I met you. Kindness is important." Daniel repeats, "Kindness is important. Kindness is important." They continue driving. After some time, they arrive at Daniel's home. The car stops. Daniel looks at his house. He feels happy. He feels thankful. He says, "Thank you for your help." "Thank you for the ride," Sam says. "You are welcome." Daniel gets out of the car. He closes the door. He waves goodbye. He says, "Good night." He walks to his house. He opens the door. He goes inside. He sits down. He thinks about the night. He says, "I was tired. I was alone. But someone helped me." He smiles. He says softly, "A helping hand can change a night. A helping hand can change a life." He feels calm. He is ready for tomorrow. Repeat after me. I missed the bus. I missed out. He picked me up. He helped me. Kindness is important. Good job. You listened. You learned. Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day. If you like this story, please like and subscribe. More easy English stories are coming. See you next time.